guys, what's up? Welcome back to this brand new video. And in this video, we will learn about the props, a little bit more about the props, saying how to render different user interface based on props. What does it mean? No idea. Okay, it'll say 8 minutes. I think it'll take more than that. Let's straight up start reading. Let me just make it just more like this. Yeah. Render different user interface on props, 8 minutes. You can do more with props than just displaying them. You can use also to make decisions. For example, there's a function. Yeah, there's a functional component there, I guess. Yeah, it does. JSX is written there. Is it? Yeah, there. Yes, written JSX. So anyway, so it's like if props.password is a tough password, then return H2 saying sign in successful, else return in sign in failed. This is good. In this example, we can see the props based to make decision rather than decision. How do I say this word? Decision. American accent. Accent. Decision. 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 Anyway, make a decision rather than rendering the value to the screen. If the password received is equal to a tough password, the resulting message in H2 will be different. And heading 2 will be different. The password in password is not displayed in either case because it's using if keyword. It's not displayed. Okay. The the props is used to decide what will be displayed. This is a common technique. Crazy, crazy. This is actually a good one. So let me just make it like that and start reading. Look at the functional component. Look at the function component definition. You can see that greeting now expect two props, name and sign in. Is it? Yeah. How do I see the definition of Fabo? Why do I see that? How do I see that? Okay, here only you can see it's colored, right? So it's like name and it takes in sign in. Yeah, it takes while we have defined the very greeting function, you can see there's yeah sign in. Yeah. Notice that the prop sign is not located inside the return statement. Oh yeah, it's not located. The return statement starts from here and ends in here. So here, as you can see, there's only one props property. Let's call it two props. Okay, the name and name is inside return, but sign in is outside return. This means the greeting will never display the value of sign in. But greeting will use the value to use to decide. Okay, it will be used to decide what to display. Look at greeting until you feel that you understand how it works. You know what? We will go through it. What the fuck just happened? No. We don't have time, we have to be quick. So here is the import keyword used. Basically, this is used to set up the React component and use export. After this, everything is getting exported. We pass in a property. What do we call that? Parameter, props parameter in it. And it has some if statements. It has some else statements. Both of them have a return keyword and both of have them a different return keyword. They have a different UI actually. So it will say please log in if sign in is false and return welcome back props.name if sign in is true. And latest movie a computer's bugs life. What the fuck? What is this? Computer's bugs life. What the fuck is this kind of a name, bro? I thought it's a movie. Let me just watch. It's a movie. A Bug's Life is a movie, but not a computer's bug life. Anyway, funny. Okay, okay. Give greeting components an additional attribute of sign in with the value of false. Okay, in openapp.js was written, and in there it is saying to do that. How do we do that? How do we do that? Here only, it is saying to pass in, sign in to be something. Okay, here only in this instance of our, what do we call it? Functional component, we pass in to be a value called false. So sign in is false. I guess we gotta run it or something. Okay. Sign in with the value false. I did add. I did add it. Oh, okay. How do we do that? How do we do that? Did you pass sign in props to the greeting with the value false? I did. Let's run again. Let me just make it true for now. What different things do we see on the screen? So it doesn't make any difference. Why? Here only we pass it, right? The greeting thing. Greeting component is imported as well. X. Welcome back. Do I have to say props.name? No, I don't think so. Have I given too much space or something? Maybe. No. You have to make it false. Hmm. Why isn't it working? Let me just see a hint. So in a greeting is already passed in the name prop. Add another one sign in with a boolean value false. Oh, fuck you. Fuck you, bro. It's not a text, so what the fuck are you doing? Of course it worked. Spacing. I think again somewhere. Be sure this. Okay. 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 So if you pass in something like this, why do we have to? Why do we have to? Why? I mean, I wanna ask this question to Chat GPT. GPT. Why do I need to use curly braces when it is a non-text value like boolean, and also tell me on what other data types do I need to wrap it around a curly braces and around whom I don't. Cheeky monkey. Yeah, that is it. So you throw a curly brace around the non-text values in JSX like React so the damn code knows what you're trying to pass in Java expression. Without them, it would assume the presuming a plain old text. Oh, I like this plain old string. True, false, 42 null are getting treated as string, but evil braces and shit and all. Okay, anyway. So Boolean values. Boolean values will be wrapped around text. Numbers will be wrapped around that. Even, wow, this is crazy. Even expressions. We can pass in expressions, which should evaluate to something. Ternary operator is used here. Okay. Here, arrays are passed in. Objects and arrays. Mhm. As well as null and non-defined values should be passed in like that. Understood it, baby. Again, app.js change the value in signed in to make greeting display friendly greeting again. So just simply make it true, bro. What do you mean? What the fuck do you mean? Don't fail. Okay. Okay, I made a mistake. In change the value of sign in to make greeting display a friendly greeting again. What do I do here? Should I just leave it without this? So crazy, bro. I mean, that's so weird. Why do I say that? Because the other thing was sign in, right? Sign in. If I set it to true, should work the same, right? Yeah. I set it to false. Oh, you're dumb. Why are you doing the same mistake again? Because I love mistakes. False. So it just goes away. If I set it to true, should come back, right? Yeah. Sometimes this interface sucks. Is it valid to render have more than one return statement within it? I I dumb. No, I don't think it can. It's false. No, it cannot. What the fuck? Each statement inside. No, I feel it's essentially entirely clean. Anyway, fuck it, bro. Yeah, as we have opened it, let's put it in ChatGPT and let's ask it to produce something very short. Shortest answer summary of this for dumb people like me. Yes, it's valid. Multiple statements are okay if each one inside of an else if block. Only one of them will get. Let's just put it like this. And I will reply to that now. Okay. Okay. Now I'll try to reply with the. How do I reply to this? How do I reply? Now here's my reply. So, okay. That's all for the video. I'll catch you up later. Till then, take care. Be safe. Keep developing. Don't forget that you are great. You can do stuff.